Angel's coming. Angel's coming! Run for it! Run! Yes. Did you know there's a guy here at Worcester? Really sucks balls with the shotgun. Shot to the ground and the bullet ricocheted right into his face. And supposedly he haunts the school now. Like all.
And that's our job. We need to find this guy.
We gotta find where he shot himself.
I burned my tongue.
And this is exactly what it looked like when he shot himself.
And twitching. Again.
And moving his head.
So man, I heard the kid was like 9 years high.
Yeah.
Your beautiful locks.
Yeah.
My beautifully chiseled cheeks.
How else do you look like?
What was he like? Like, what did he do? What was his favorite classes and such?
To be honest, I really didn't know him. I just heard the story from my dad. You know?
I think he was in my Spanish class.
What was
He
his
didn't talk
name?
much.
But my dad knew him.
Oh. But he was really stupid.
What was it? Does anybody know
He
his?
like the original King Kong.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Oh. That's good.
So wait.
Wait, why'd you slap me?
All right, but what was his name?
Wait. This way.
What are you doing?
All right, no. Does anybody know his name?
His name is gonna be Jack.
Elijah.
His name is gonna be Jack. Elijah.
Okay. Alright, I'll fine. I'll tell you the
Was he
story.
a white boy?
I tell you, he was white. He was your height with your hair, my chiseled cheeks.
No, I think his
My
name was
dad
Jack.
knew. My dad knew him because he worked at his company. You know.
I knew
His
because he
name-
was in my Spanish class.
His name wasn't Jack. You just called him Jack because he jacked your stuff. All right. Bad Indian. Bad Indian. Bad.
Let's go find that ghost.
Ghost.
All right, go grab the stuff, German.
What's up? Go get it.
You suck, Trevor.
I didn't want to get it.
And you swallow.
Oh! Bart! Yeah, I got that. All right, this is the library. I guess the kid liked to play Yu-Gi-Oh here. See, probably has no life. We go to the library now. Get some free books. Here you go. Any good Playboys? We Who Built America.
This book has no title.
No, it's the joy of
She's hot.
atomic weapons. She's not. Do you think actually anyone did read this at all during this book?
American Ascendancy.
I just realized the light's on.
Yeah, me too.
No one ever told me.
The Milky Way Galaxy.
Alright, no, that's my kind of book.
The enjoyment of chemistry.
No pictures. That's the way I like them.
Oh, that's gay. Here's the pictures like this. You get the stuff?
So,
Yeah, anyway, these.
The enjoyment of chemistry, you guys. No way.
I didn't even
Give me
have
that
the
book.
book.
That's my
How many
favorite.
times dude, wait, that's actually a book?
yes.
Oh my god, it's a ghost.
Where?
Right behind you.
Right behind you. Ah!
I'm an evil ghost!
It won't open. Where are the keys? I don't know.
Open the door!
I don't have the keys.
Don't film me.
Why are you throwing snowballs at me, man? It's right behind you! Oh my god, it's hideous.
Found it. Go.
Come on, hurry! Oh, what the?
Go.
It smells nice in here.
Get the stick my
Let me in. What are you doing? I want to get in.
Open the car.
Oh man, now you got leather seats.
Damn, the seat won't go back. Hold on. Let me put the seat back.
There's a dog! Ah! Hey, well, he's dead. You want to carry him or what?
We should cut him into little pieces, you know?
That'll take too long.
Alright.
Why is he still wearing his glasses?
Let's try again. Let's try again. This is wrong. It's not gonna work.
Alright, shut it.
You won't fit.
Move your damn legs! Oh wait,
Should we
dead,
just
huh?
cut off his legs?
No, wait, hold the
Might
camera.
take too long.
Here, I'll do this. Maybe if I could get his foot to his
You
groin.
guys think this is illegal or legal?
Well, he is Mexican. Just one more dead Mexican.
Oh shit, you left him in the trunk. Damn it! Now we gotta drive.
Ah! Stop it!
Oh, the goddamn kiss!
Oh my god, the ghost the whole time was a football.
Goddamn bitches!
You want the football?
So, who was the real killer then?
Nike. I gotta let you guys know this whole time I was the one who shot myself.
Oh, son of a bitch!
You alright? Oh my god, I was dating his girlfriend!
Alright.
No, just do not get him.
This is what happens when you around at school. You got some guy on the ground with his left neck gone. Alright?
What the hell did you do to me?
You've been dropping a lot of coins today.
What the fuck? I don't know. Is he retarded or something?
Gun it! Careful with the door. Where was the rest of that?
There goes the legend.
Are we there?
Where'd you come from?
Yeah.
Oh! It's all over my face! Oh!
Sorry.
Wrong with you?
Stop.